Hi there, my name is David Stafford Jones. In some circles, I'm known as the Friendly Marketer. And in this video today, I just want to share with you a website that I use to run traffic to my affiliate offers. In fact, you can use this platform to run traffic to any offer, whether it's an affiliate offer, whether it's a network marketing offer, whatever you care to. You can use the site called Qwikad, Qwikad, Qwikad.com. And as we get into the video, you're going to see that there are a number of features that this website offers. The first thing that I'll make note of is the fact that they have an affiliate program. And one of the things that I often look for as I utilize tools across the internet, I often check to see if they have affiliate programs that one can be a part of. Now, Qwikad will allow you to create a free ad, or you can create an ad where you can post to all cities, or you can have banners, and you can see some of the ads here. You'll notice that some say urgent. That's a feature that you can have put on your ad, to make it stand out a bit more. But we're going to go through all the different features of this website, and in the description box of this video, I'll also have a link there for you to become a part of this platform if you so care to. I'll just mention a disclaimer as well. If you do decide to have an account here with Qwikad, I will get some compensation for that. Now, having said that, let's dive in. I'm going to click here to log into my account. And this is the basic Qwikad account. This is not the affiliate account. This is my basic account. So I just want to log in so I can share with you how this is all done. So like I said, these are a couple ads here that I'm running. I have 3 ads running here, and they are all set up utilizing different features. In this first ad here, I'm advertising a platform, and you see the title here: Discover the #1 community for entrepreneurs today, making money while working from home. It's showing in all cities. These are all cities in the United States, as you can see up here. All cities in the United States. And I have this one featured, but I don't have it as urgent. In this one at the bottom, I have this one featured again in all cities of the U.S. It also has a featured on it, and you're going to see what that looks like. And I also have it as being marked urgent. And these ads went up from the 7th of April, but I did some work on it this evening. So because the only one that had a lot of traffic run into it so far in terms of visits was this one at the top, 840. So I changed up the ad a bit so that I can make it a little more exciting, so to speak. So let me share with you what the ad looks like. So I'm going to open the ad here, and you're going to see what this ad looks like. This is what the ad looks like. You'll see that it says featured over here to the right, and discover the #1 community for entrepreneurs today, making money while working from home. And this is the ad here. Attention entrepreneurs. I'm not going to read through it, but you're able to put links in your ad. You can put media, and this is how I have my ad laid out. And the links that I would want people to click on are in here. They're identified here with the underline in some cases, or right here. That's the link. Check it out. That's the link. There's another link view here. And then at the end, there are also photos that you can associate with the ad, so that when the ad comes up, there will be different photos that will be featured. And persons then who are coming through the platform and seeing the ad can also share this ad at any of these social media points down here: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, email, or LinkedIn. I think that one is LinkedIn. Yeah, more likely, yeah, that's LinkedIn. So that's what the ad looks like, and I have it listed as featured. Let me go back to my account here. I'll show you the one at the end, which is the third one. This is the one that's this is the one here that is featured and also says urgent. So I'll let you see what that one looks like. And here we have it again. The wording is a lot closer in this one, and I also have some of the words highlighted. And you'll see here it says urgent and it's featured. Now the reason you want to put urgent or even featured is it's like when it has these two, when it's identified as urgent or featured, it tends to get more attention focused on it than if it were just a free ad and it didn't have any of these. So that's why I put urgent and featured on it. And you know, I like to play around with the graphics and what have you in the ads, anything that will attract attention and what have you. So there you have it again. And I think in one of the other ads, I actually do, I have it laid out almost like an email ad in the sense that I think I have my picture at the bottom, and that's the one here in the middle. Now this one in the middle, let me see, I have this one as urgent, but I don't have it as featured, but I have it as urgent. And again, you get to see what's going on here. It has your link there for you to look at. And the links tend to open, I think the links open in a new window, if I'm not mistaken. I stand corrected. Right, this is the one where I have my picture at the bottom here. And that's basically it. So this is the Qwikad platform. And this is a site where you can send out free ads, or you can pay for the ads. But the exposure and stuff is really good, and it's expensive. And let me show you what I mean. Now, if you notice, this ad was posted on April 7th, right? April 7th, you can see that right here. And look, it expires on June 6th. So this ad basically runs for 60 days, for 2 whole months. And this ad cost me, I think it was about 12 or 15 US dollars to run for that period of time. And this is going to all the cities in the US. So that's not a bad costing to run an ad. And if you wanted to see how you would do an ad out, well, let me just take you through a quick thing here. Now, let's say for argument's sake, I wanted to post in all cities, and I will click on post in all cities. And then this is what it will show me here. It will show me cities, all cities worldwide. That's the price you'd pay, $6 for your ad. That's 1,070 cities. If you're posting in the United States, 487 cities, the price is $5. Canada, $4. Europe, $4. Stuff like that. Now, if you were only going to post, say, a free ad, then for the free ad, you have to select the area. Now, if I were to select the US, then I have to select now where in the US. So let's say I wanted to select Florida. Then it's going to break it down some more and ask me, well, where in Florida? So I'm going to click Fort Lauderdale for this example. So then after selecting the area, which is Fort Lauderdale, Florida, this is the area that I'm targeting, it's going to ask me the category. Is it a service? Is it to do with pets and animals, real estate, jobs, automotive, what have you? Well, I want to click income ops. Then it has a number of categories here: affiliate marketing, business opportunities, network marketing. Well, let's say for argument's sake, I chose affiliate marketing. So then this is how it's laid out. You have the ad title that will go here. And let me put, I'll use this one here. The world's #1 exclusive community for entrepreneurs. And then if you wanted to, this is where you would lay out then the description of your ad. If you wanted to put in media, pictures, you will click on this. If you want to put in links, you click on that. I'm not going to type this up, just showing you. And then down here it says who you're posting as. I'm posting as a friendly market in this case. And you can elect if you want to show your email address or not. Then if your offer has a price attached to it, you'll put the amount in here. So if say, for argument's sake, the offer was advertising was $20, I will put $20 in here. Or you can just leave it blank, and once a person someone contacts you, then you can go into discussion. The option is optional to put the price. You don't have to put it. Likewise, your phone number, your contact name, company name. If it's a case where it was something you were selling and it had a ship to address, or it doesn't have a ship to address, if it's digital, well then again putting that information is optional. And then at the bottom they also allow you now to upload files that help to show what your offer is. So say for argument's sake I wanted to say advertise for there's a product out now by a company called Designer, where if you have video URLs or you have blog posts URLs, you can just submit this URL into Designer and it will create an ebook from your blog post. That's a pretty cool feature. And if I click and choose file, I can scroll through my things here. Let me see. I think I have one for Designer somewhere in here. And so whatever picture I select, right, I have one here for Designer. I'll choose this one. Actually, I'll choose this one. So right there, it will upload the picture, and these are pictures that are going to be associated with the ad whenever I've completed. If, for argument's sake, there's a picture that you've selected and you realize you don't want to use that one, you just click here on the trash can, and that picture is deleted. Now going down, this is going to be a free ad, but if I wanted this ad to be featured, I would have to click this box, and automatically my ad now is going to cost me $4. All right. If I wanted the ad to appear at the top of the listing, right, where your ad will take the first position in the home slider and your ad will be promoted to the top of the listing, then I'd have to click that option. That's an additional $3. So now my ad is going to cost me $7 for the 60 days. As I scroll down, if I want the ad to be urgent, I click this box. So right away now my ad has gone from free to $10 because I wanted those options in there. And then I would click continue, and it would take me then, well, in this case it's not going to take me too far because I haven't filled out all the fields. Like you said, you forgot to fill out the required fields. There's no body here in the ad, so it's not going to go anywhere. But I only did that to show you what it is all about. So this is the website here, Qwikad.com. It's a very cool website to use, as far as one where you can utilize the traffic. It's fairly targeted in the sense that you can direct where you want the ads to go. You have an option of the ads like I showed you, or you can actually have a banner ad as well. If you have banners, you can use this feature for the banner ad. And that's what it's all about. So I hope that this resource is something that you can use. And if you ever decided you wanted to be an affiliate for it, you only had to click this link here, and it will actually take you to the affiliate section of Qwikad, and you can sign up for affiliate there. So this has been David Jones, and I hope that you were able to follow me carefully in this, and that's basically all there is to it, folks. So that's it until I come back to you with another video, and I'm just giving you one final shot here. You can see a guy here selling services. He has the price, and that's the pictures associated with his ad. Likewise, you see some people here with other ads, so you see what the ads can look like. And I'll scroll through there. You have an idea of what these different ads look like. So that's it. This has been David Stafford Jones coming to you with this video, a resource called Qwikad.com, and where you can utilize to run your affiliate offers or your networking offers to get traffic and sales. Thank you for watching. Do have yourselves a great day or great night wherever and where you are. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if you got value. Thank you so much. Over and out.